The latest Intel Core i9-12900K Alder Lake flagship CPU benchmarks have leaked out, and the QS chips show how much faster its single-threaded performance is when compared to Rocket Lake, while offering multi-threaded performance on par with AMD's flagship Ryzen 5000 series CPUs. We've already gone over the specifications for this processor a few times now, but we're going to run through some of the basic specs just to be safe. The Intel Core i9-12900K Alder Lake S CPU will rock 16 cores and 24 threads. That's arranged with 8 P cores or performance cores with 16 threads and 8 economy cores with 8 threads. The Intel Core i9-12900K is expected to feature a P-core base clock speed of 5.2 GHz and boost clocks of up to 5.3 GHz. The E-core features a base clock speed of 3.0 GHz and boost clocks of 3.9 GHz respectively. These boost clocks are for single-core performance. All core boost frequencies are expected to be roughly around 5 GHz for the P-cores and 3.7 GHz for the E-cores. Before moving over to the performance metrics, it is stated that the Intel Core i9-12900K peaked at 250 watts in the AVX2 mode stress test, while running at temperatures of up to 108 degrees Celsius. It looks like Intel's once again given away the power efficiency and went for a brute force approach. It is also stated that there was some problem with the thermal velocity boost on specific B660 motherboards, and the max frequency that was achieved was 5.1 GHz, with it being split 4.9 GHz for the P cores and 3.7 GHz for the E cores. So coming to the benchmarks, we have the first CPU Z result, where the Intel Core i9-12900K is 20% faster single-threaded and almost on par with the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X. Remember that AMD's Ryzen 9 5950X has 33% higher threads than the Intel flagship. In Cinebench R20, the Alder Lake chip once again offers a 20% performance boost in single-threaded performance and similar performance in multi-threaded benchmarks. It is a very good showcase of the performance that the Intel Alder Lake CPUs are going to offer, especially in its single-threaded department. However, those high temperatures and high power numbers are something to worry about for a lot of PC users. The Intel Core i9-12900K is expected to hit retail at around $550 US, which should make it around $250 cheaper than the MSRP for Ryzen's top-of-the-line Ryzen 9 5950X. It could turn out to be a compelling option, but it will require lots of high-end cooling and power equipment to handle it. Intel's Alder Lake desktop CPUs will feature both DDR5 and DDR4 memory controllers, and 600 series motherboards will come with DDR4/DDR5 specific options. High-end motherboards will retain just DDR5, while more mainstream offerings will open up DDR4 support as well. The Intel Alder Lake CPU lineup is expected to launch in November, alongside the respective Z690 platform and DDR5 memory kits. But what do you think? Will the Intel Core i9-12900K CPU be in your next gaming setup? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic tech news.